Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Get rid of the view screen. Okay, there we go. So I wanted to throw a quick video out there. I'm going to be starting a playlist for a budget camping videos. And you know, like the video I just did, camping doesn't have to be expensive. And then I'm actually working on a DIY project right now, which is on the SD card as we speak. So that'll be coming up. And then what I want to do is, is invite my fellow YouTuber, you, to submit videos and ideas. And even if the video is 2-3 years old, I'll add it to the playlist. But the only thing I ask, though, is that the video be under 500 views, because I want to try to help the little guy by, you know, hopefully helping spread the word. So with that, yeah. So I'm actually going to be, the videos, it could be anything. It could be fire making, it could be cooking, it could be gear or budget gear, reviews, whatever. I don't really care. You know, I mean, I'm going to look at the video, of course. You know, if it's just, I'll decide if I'm going to add it or not. I'll let you know, I'll be honest, but probably most likely, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be. So, yeah, so keep an eye out for that. Actually, the playlist will be linked below. This will be the first video. Then, as I'm at work, I'm going to be adding videos to it. So, as soon as I get this one up. So, yeah, I look forward to seeing your videos. Be sure to check out the playlist. Also, when I post new videos, I can do shout outs and say, hey, this person, and this person all submitted videos. Links will be down below, blah, blah, blah. Kind of help each other out. So, stay tuned for that. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more stuff. The weather currently, it's October 7th, so the weather is on the downward spiral of suckage. So we got rain all next week, and I don't have a waterproof camera. I am looking online to see how much one will be. I got a couple maybes so far, but yeah, we'll just see what happens with that. I'm constantly adding to my list of video ideas, so I need a fire to do quite a few of them, so we'll just see how that works. So, you know, we'll just play day by day, see what happens. So, probably going to finish the DIY project tomorrow, because I've got most of it done. I just have to set it up, and then shoot the final scenes, and then go from there. So, we'll see what happens. So, knock on wood. So, as always, it's just a stick. Appreciate you watching, and check out the playlist and submit videos as you want, even if the video is older. Alright, have a good one, see ya, and I'm actually going to get a video going right now, cooking video, so